If you have been frustrated with the quality of your voiceover, it could be because the room that you're recording in is less than ideal. It could also be that you just sound awful and shouldn't be near a microphone like AJ. But if it is down to your environment, then this product would be exactly what you need. The Monoprice Microphone Isolation Shield. An isolation shield acts as a makeshift filter for your microphone, minimizing the amount of unwanted reflections and room tone picked up by your microphone. It works by isolating your microphone from the environment. Essentially, it acts like a portable vocal booth. So, if your room has a less than ideal tone, then this product is going to be perfect for you. The Monoprice Isolation Shield is a desktop design. The hinge mechanism also doubles up as the feet, and on the rear of the shield is a simple dual clamp. That allows easy attachment to any stand that you own, so you can always use this away from your desk or on your desk. The acoustic shield features a high density acoustic foam front and a vented metal back, which does allow the microphone to breathe. That's what AJ would say. But this does prevent unwanted reflections within the shield itself, and that is actually a very good point. But is the shield any good? Well, let's find out. AJ? Bring the shield in. We'll play something.
Quite heavy.
Can you do it more seamlessly? In the edit, just do some kind of...
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, that might be a problem.
I can't see.
Cut it then.
With all upgrades to your gear, the improvements to quality are always incremental, and the same is true here. This mic shield isn't going to totally fix a terrible sounding room, nor is it going to fix a bad quality microphone for you. But what this does give you is a step in the right direction. If your recording environment is less than ideal, this certainly helps you get one step closer to great sounding video. Beyond the actual functionality of the shield, the build quality is excellent. It's reassuringly weighty and well machined, meaning not only will it do a great job, but will also likely last well beyond what its price point suggests. Can you move it now, AJ? I think they've heard enough.
I'm quite enjoying just watching you.
Just reel it out because I'm
Stuck there, are you?
Now, if you are not planning on desktop mounting this isolation shield, then you must know it doesn't come with a stand, which is going to lead to a bigger issue: its weight. It is typically too heavy for most lightweight light stands and a lot of microphone stands. I got around this by mounting it on a light stand and using a weighted bag on the base, and that does give it the ability to raise the shield to maximum height without any concern. Maximum height is taller than AJ, just as a visual. Now, there are cheaper alternatives available online, but as always when buying cheap gear, buyer beware. Typically, the density of the foam is going to be insufficient to achieve decent results, and corners will have been cut in the production, such as lack of rear venting. Finally, it is worth noting that if your voice just is plain horrible, then this product is not going to make you sound any better. That's like a disclaimer. Can we disclaimer? This was a quick fix purchase for me. It got me out of a fix when we were moving studios and AJ was taking simply too long to fit up acoustic treatment. Beyond that, I can definitely see the advantages and cost savings to be had from having this for a home studio setup. So if you're looking to record audio books, a voiceover for your video, or you have a good enough voice to be singing out of the shower, then this is definitely something that you should check out. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to read more, then check out our blog. Also, remember thumbs show love, so be careful where you stick them. That's all for this one. Hopefully I'll see you in the comments. Bye!